Hi guys, it's Kiki and welcome back to my channel. So yes, I am officially back again after a whole month of break of not doing any reaction videos. And yes, I'm so sorry, but as you can kind of tell from my background, it's a new place. Still kind of like slowly settling in, cleaning, just getting the most important stuff done and out of the way. But I am back slowly. And so for the first one, I'm gonna go ahead and do Crossy Rain. Their new song is called Colors. If you guys don't know, I've already done two songs from them already. If you guys want to go ahead and check that out, I can link it in the cards or in the description box below. And go ahead and follow them too as well, because they have a lot of great songs. I did a reaction to Too Little Too Late and Black Hole Heart. So yes, I am really excited for this one. It is their album, new mini album, and yeah, this is the title track, I believe. So yeah, it's called Colors, and let's go ahead and dive into it because I don't know what this one is going to be about. So yeah, let's go.
Gotta run up, don't run away from me, please. Hey, lover, thought you were my lover, but why don't you stay with me?
Oh wait, hold on. Okay, wait. Ooh, the music itself, I'm already loving the vibe. So I have the CC on, but it's auto generated, so of course it's not gonna be like correct. But wait, let's go back a little bit because Jordan came in. I love the intro because you saw the girl running, right? And then Jordan was like saying, "Runner, runner." I think, "Why are you running away from me?" Right? Yeah, they're in like a theater like building. The spotlight went to them, the curtain went up. Ooh, okay.
Runner, yeah, we gotta run, don't run away from me.
Yeah.
Please. Hey, lover, thought you were my lover, but why don't you stay with me?
Ooh, okay, I see that little choreography, the roll up.
Baby, I gave my heart so easily, cause you drew over my scars. Look at how you rearranged my place within your heart. And I don't understand it, I can't stand it. Did I imagine this was gold? Now that you ran and left me damaged, I will never show.
Wait, who's the... Okay, wait, who is that guy? Wait, I feel like it's one of them playing the role right here, right now, right? I don't know. It's just kind of... Because they're not revealing the faces, but... Oh my god. All of their voices... I don't know, it's just so nice.
That you ran and left me damaged, I will never show.
Wait, you ran and left me damaged. I think it's something about okay, I think so far this sounds like a sad story, like a broken heart type love story. It doesn't... Yes, that's kind of like what I'm getting a little bit. I was like trying to pay attention to like both the music, how the way they're filming, their voices, and Monarch just came in kind of like having or like doing his rapping, singing type mix style. So I was just like, hold on a second. I'm also trying to like listen and pay attention to the CC a little bit, just to kind of like give myself an idea of what they're talking about. But
could you say that you love me so? Everything's gray, no silver lining.
Ooh.
So I'll
Oh, the choreo.
show my colors again.
Wait.
So I'll never show my colors again.
What is that? What? I don't know. He kind of looks like Shotaro, but at the same time not. Okay. Silver linings. I'll never show my colors. Say that you love me, so everything's green or silver.
How could you say that you love me so? Everything's gray, no silver lining.
Oh, and the harmony together.
Show my colors again.
Whoa, wait, hold. Asher. Oh my god. The way he just came in and busted down, like, with the hat. What, those are called like, are those hat called like fedora hat? Oh, but the way he just came in. Hey. Woo. Hey.
Pages painted blue until you came to me. Rosy colors.
Oh, ooh, the harmony from time to time, like just the ad-libs in the back a little bit, the choreography with the mics standing still and they're moving around it, still, you know, in that V formation. Oh my god, I like this. I love this. I really want to see a dance practice videos of this if they do plan to have one, because I don't know if I've seen one yet.
Pages painted blue until you came to me. Rosy colors filter out the vacancy. Flowers pink and yellow make you drown.
Ooh, Asher singing too, oh my god.
And it's broken. Look into the heavens, seeing red. I'm imploding, making me jealous as the green of the ocean. Drown. Baby, I gave my heart so easily, 'cause you drew over my scars. How can I rearrange
Wait, you drew over my scars.
my place within your heart?
How can I rearrange what?
How can I rearrange my place within your heart?
My place within your heart.
Can you forget?
Ooh, I don't know. There's some. Ooh, the lyrics. I feel like I gotta like just check out the lyrics itself, because I'm pretty sure there's like a lot of meaning behind this. I wonder if it's also like a continuation story from Too Little Too Late. Oh, but you drew over my scars. Ooh, that's pretty good.
Can you forget about my colors? Just remember how we danced. Why don't you love me for exactly who I am?
Why don't you love me for
I don't understand it, I can't stand it. Did I imagine this was gold? Now that you ran and left me damaged, I will never show my colors. When you leave,
I will never show my color.
how could you say that you love me so? Everything's gray, no silver lining. So I'll never show my colors again.
It's like, I'm sorry for pausing so much, but that's just how I react. But yeah, despite the lyrics of kind of like, you know, the other partner running away or leaving you, with, you know, like a broken heart, the beat, the music itself is still quite upbeat. So it's almost, I don't know, in a way it's kind of like throwing me off a little bit, but also like the choreography itself is in a way energetic, hard hitting, kind of, not really, but it's just the energy that they are giving me. I don't know, it's a good song though. Like, it's just not what I expected to be, you know, like a sad, you know, story.
Come on, baby, stay now, stay now, stay. Love is just a playground, playground, play. So stay around and play now, play now, play. Baby, baby, wait now, wait now, wait. Come on, baby, stay now, stay now, stay.
Wait, hold on.
Wait now, wait. Come on, baby, stay now, stay now, stay.
That's so cool. Oh my god. Oh my god, who choreographed this? I really, really want to know. And the fact that they all had like their own spotlight before that roll off in that diagonal formation. Oh, this is so cool. Ooh, okay, Jordan. Yes, I hear you. Okay, so that actor was in. Ooh, Jordan. Ooh. Ooh, wait, hold on. McKinley High School, Natasha Taketa Kim? Theater director. Theater group, okay. Oh, I like this. It's, again, I love how simple, like, the music video itself is, but then it tells you, you know, like a story behind it. And they're all using, you know, just the theater stage or the theater building room, you know, just to, like, I don't know, it's just like, it's very well thought out. And then you see the so after she gave him all of the flowers, she left or ran away, leaving him with a broken heart. And it's also very interesting that, of course, they kept the actor face hidden. It's almost like it makes you more curious of, like, maybe who that could be in a way. But at the same time, I like how he ended up being on the stage with Crossing Rain. And I think that was, who was it? Jordan? Holding his hand at the end, and the curtain just, you know, slowly drops down. Jordan's right now. I'll never show my colors again. Yeah, you can see everybody kind of like in a different pose, different levels. I do definitely like that, to play with the different levels, different facing angles. Yeah, Jordan holding his hand. And they're all, you know, of course, looking very sad because they're all looking down towards the ground. Body posture. Yeah, like, this is definitely kind of like, in a way, giving me contemporary vibe, but then at the same time not really, just more of like that theatrical setting in a way, because you know, they're using a theater stage. But other than that, I really love how they use, you know, their mic props. They stayed there for maybe a minute or so, and then they took the mic off and then danced somewhere else on the stage, and then came back to set it into like a diagonal when I think the music video cuts. And then, oh, I don't know, the choreography itself, it's really good. I definitely hope they release a dance practice, but then at the same time, I don't know. I don't know. But it'll be really cool if they do, because I really do want to see it. And I do want to know who choreographed this. Maybe it could be in the description. I don't know why I can't. Okay, wait, hold on. Choreography. Oh, choreographers. Nikki Kiloa. Performance director Nikki and Chloe Kiloa. Oh, I guess maybe they're sisters. Lighting. Okay. Props, Natasha, Takita Kim, wardrobe. Okay, so it's a lot of Nikki, Kiloa, Chloe. Okay, so yeah, the choreography is very well done. Nikki and Crossy Rain, they all have like an input in it, but I love it. I like the choreo and like the production itself. Again, simple, like they're just using one stage or just one area, you know, but it does the job. Yeah, I mean, that's really cool. The lyrics itself, I feel like I might have to search that up myself and like just, you know, read through it, because I feel like there's a lot of deep meaning behind this. The lyrics itself, like some of them sounds like it's almost like poetry, like, you know. But yeah, I really love the song, the music itself, their voices, and I know that this, especially for I guess this type of song, there isn't that much rapping, which is totally fine, you know. Marnik did do, you know, his job very well with the kind of like mixing the rapping and singing together. Asher, I believe Asher didn't like rap at all. He actually sung. I don't know if is this the first time I heard him sing. I don't remember, but yeah, and Shotaro, Devin, and Jordan. Oh, and Jordan doing more of those vocal notes towards the end there, and I honestly thought that was going to be Devin, but then I was like, okay, Jordan, I see you. But yeah, other than that, like, I like everything about this. You know, like, again, music videos, you know, they don't have to be like super crazy to get, you know, I mean, like, to kind of what, to get, I guess, that message out there of what you're trying to say and portray. But yeah, that is it, guys. I don't know if there's anything else I can say. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. That is my reaction to Crossing Rain, guys. Definitely go check them out. If you guys have never heard of them before, I'll definitely link their channel in the description below. So yeah, definitely go check them out. They have a lot of great songs, and I love how all of their songs are so different from each other too, in a way, because the previous release is more of like a reggae type beat, and Too Little Too Late is has like kind of like a EDM type of feel to it too. So yes, definitely go check them out for sure. And yeah, this song is definitely go in my playlist. I mean, I have a lot of their songs on my playlist right now, so yeah, definitely go check them out and support them. They are just, you know, your local Hawaiian small boy group, and yeah, hopefully, you know, they will become bigger in the future. And yeah, that's my reaction for today, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.